Reality TV star and ex-BBNaija housemate Tacha Akide, popularly known as Tacha, has urged women to stay being wicked, particularly towards the opposite gender. The reality TV star and brand influencer said many of the men in the society do not deserve to be with good women. Tacha, the self-acclaimed Port Harcourt first daughter, gave the advice through her official Twitter account and stirred a plethora of mixed reactions. She tweeted, "A lot of men do not deserve good women. Women stay wicked." In other news, Nigerian singer Adewale Mayowa Emmanuel, professionally known as mayokun, replied to an inquisitive fan who asked why he doesn't have a baby mama. The certified loner hitmaker recently held a question and answer session with fans on Snapchat when the fan asked the question. During the session, a rather inquisitive fan asked, "Why you no get baby mama?" the fan asked. Reacting to the question, mayokun gave a sarcastic response. "I still dey find the baby mama," he said while laughing.